This channel is part of the Nick Tyrrell network. Sit back, relax and enjoy your featured presentation. Hi guys, hello and welcome back to another episode of the Home Computer Club ZX Spectrum. So last month we started 1983 with part 1. Let's go do part 2. Kick back, grab a brew and let's go down memory lane. Welcome back up guys. What a year 1983 turned out to be. Some absolute classics in there. Always fun to play Lunar Jetman, Harrier Attack, Attic Attack, Ant Attack, and one of my all-time favourites, Jumpin' Jack. Okay, so leave me your comments below. Let me know, are you enjoying the series and what was your favourite game of 1983 overall? Join me next month when we come back and we do 1984. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Nick Tyrrell network today.